Question number 6 of this exercise is write the following cubes in expanded form. Expanded form of this 2x plus 1 whole cube. Obviously student, we are having 6th and 7th identity which is in the form of cube, that is x plus y whole cube equal x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, and 7th identity is x minus y whole cube equal x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So in this question number 6 we have to use these two identities, and first part of this question 2x plus 1 whole cube is based on this 6th identity because in both plus sign is there. So let's start. 2x plus 1 whole cube. You can easily see here student, the value of x is here 2x and the value of y, and the value of y is here 1. Now we will substitute the values of x and y in this right hand side form. X cube, it means 2x whole cube, y cube, it means 1 cube, plus 3x square y, 3x square, within bracket the value of x is 2x whole square and the value of y is 1, plus 3x, it means 2x, within bracket 2x, and the value of y 1 square. Simplify this. 2x whole cube, 2x into 2x into 2x, what we will get? We will get 8x cube, plus 1 cube, it means 1, plus, now we have to simplify this. First we will simplify this square, then we will multiply with this 3. 2x into 2x we will get 4x square, and 4x square into 3 we will get 12x square, plus 1 square, it means 1, we will get 6x, and this is the expanded form of this question. Second part of this question is 2a minus 3b whole cube. You can easily see here student, within middle there is a negative sign. So which identity? Suitable identity is 7th one. X minus y whole cube equal x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here first we will compare and we will find the value of x is 2a and the value of y is 3b. We will not take here negative sign student because we are applying here negative identity. So we will not take here minus 3b, we will take 3b. Substitute the values in right hand side. X cube, it means 2a whole cube, minus y cube, it means 3b whole cube, minus 3x square, it means 2a whole square, y it means 3b, plus 3x, x it means 2a, and y square it means 3b whole square. Simplify this. 2a into 2a into 2a, what we will get? We will get 8a cube, minus 3b into 3b into 3b, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27b cube, minus, now you have to simplify this. First simplify this 2a whole square. 2a square, 2a into 2a, we will get 4a square, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36a square b. Simplify this also. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 2s are 54a b square. This is the expanded form of this second part. Third question is 3 upon 2x plus 1 whole cube. Similarly, we will use here positive identity. Here the value of x is 3 upon 2x and the value of y is here 1. X cube it means 3 upon 2x whole cube, plus y cube, it means 1 cube. 3x square, 3 upon 2x whole square into y, it means 1. 3x y